The ANKOM RF gas production system provides an easy-to-use tool for monitoring and measuring evolved gases during anaerobic fermentation or aerobic metabolism. Designed to support studies in rumen digestion, the RF system is also used to study human digestion, yeast activity, dough rising power, biomass to energy development, biodegradability, wastewater treatment, and more. The critical component of the RF system is the module used to contain samples in an anaerobic or aerobic environment. As microbes metabolize the substrate, various gases are produced. The type of gases produced will depend on the number of factors, which include the makeup of the microbial population and the composition of the substrate. Because the system allows the user to control the environment, the fermentation substrate, the microbial population, and the study variables, researchers can use the RF system to monitor gases produced over time with little intervention. Here's how the system works. Microbes, substrate, and buffer solutions are placed in the RF1 modules according to the requirements of the study involved. The modules are placed in an incubation source as needed. As gases evolve, the RF1 module measures the pressure and sends this information together with the temperature of the RF1 environment to the host computer using radio frequency technology. The gas pressure monitor software stores the data while it automatically calculates and graphs cumulative pressure and temperature in real time. At the end of the process, all data points are captured on a standard Microsoft Excel spreadsheet for analysis. The volume of gas produced can be calculated based on cumulative pressure. The custom-designed software and advanced electronics allow the user to control a number of variables: the time intervals of computer communications, the timing of data capture, the pressure and temperature units of measure, individual or global pressure release points, and more. This allows researchers to set up studies with specific parameters and run those studies with little manual intervention. The use of radio frequency technology eliminates cumbersome wires and provides greater flexibility for the user. RF1 modules can be located away from the computer and in different environments. In situations where signals are impeded, an extension antenna is provided to relocate the receiving antenna. Gases can be sampled at any time during the operation using the built-in vent or through an optional septa port bottle to create gas profiles using a gas chromatograph or other means. The RFS base kit includes 5 RF1 modules with rechargeable battery packs and standard 250 milliliter bottles. However, you can modify the kit with different bottle sizes and types. The kit also includes a module that measures atmospheric pressure, a radio frequency transceiver, a 10-station battery charger, an antenna extension cable, extra lure caps and valves, synthetic grease to aid in creating an impervious seal between the bottle and the module, and user-friendly computer software that controls the system and captures data. Designed for expandability, up to 50 RF1 modules can be used with one base kit. Up to 5 kits can be operated in a single lab. The RF system provides a base kit that includes 5 RF1 modules for a low-cost entry, is modular and expandable, capable of up to 50 RF1 modules on a single base kit. This allows the user flexibility in study design and the capability to test a number of variables during a single test. Uses wireless technology that allows modules to be placed anywhere within the radio frequency range, freeing up valuable counter space for other uses. Includes user-friendly computer software that makes it simple to use the system and analyze the results. Provides real-time graphing of pressure and temperature curves to aid in monitoring kinetics at any point in time. Allows user-selected gas release points to control the amount of pressure that builds up within an RF1 module. A modular design at a low cost that is easy to configure and use. The ANKOM RF gas production system is a precise and accurate tool that can help meet your research and testing needs. We hope you have benefited from this brief overview and welcome any questions you may have. To summarize, the ANKOM RF gas production system provides a low-cost and easy-to-use tool for monitoring and recording evolved gases in an anaerobic or aerobic environment. The RF system supports rumen and monogastric studies, human digestion studies, measurements of yeast activity, dough raising power, biomass to energy research and development, biodegradability research, wastewater treatment, and much more.